Hi, Sanna here. This is one of the bundles that I wrapped together last summer, and as you can see, this has been outside, laying on the ground between the flowers. You'd never notice there is hardly any type of changes here. It's just a little bit. I think that's mold and some, I don't know, rust. But however, I have still two more bundles outside, and I'm not going to take them out, not just quite yet. But let's see what happened with this one. I'm going to open it right now, and we'll see if anything inside has changed in any way. So this was wool, knitting wool that I added around, and it's not even that dirty at all. So I don't know, there was not much rain, there was not much anything happening outside, so I'm a little bit afraid that there was no big changes in my bundle at all. But let's open this one. So this is an IKEA curtain that I just cut and added as a piece to this to protect what's inside. I think most of it is just mold and dirt and not much really. There's something, but it's not really worth to mention. There's something blue in there, but I can't even remember what I put inside. There's a bug in there. At least it looks like a bug. Interesting. Okay. Oh wow, I would have never thought that actually something would happen. So this is an old book page, and it's full of mold and rust. There's a little bit rust from that metal piece, but not much, and I don't even know how healthy this kind of stuff is. There's a lot of mold. Can you see that? If I get a close-up, it's like growing. It's dimensional mold, so I think I'd better throw that away. Don't think that's really healthy at all. And that's the only rust I got out of my bundle. And this is these are book pages, old book pages, music notes, and that's basically just mold. And even more mold, and nothing else happened to this piece. There's a little red spot wherever that came from, but it's not really making me happy. And this is, oh yeah, this is some yarn, and there was this knife. I was hoping that something might happen with this old knife, but nothing really did. And that's just mold. That's a postcard, and I added these pieces there. Yeah, nothing happened with those either. And I've got a dead bug in there, a dead and really moldy seeds, and a wood piece that didn't change at all. And even my rust pieces have not changed at all. And this thread, yarn, whatever you call this, has not changed. So it's a little bit disappointing that 6 months outside lying in the garden, this is everything I get out of my bundle. But like I said, I have 2 more outside in a different spot, and these are poppy seeds, but no color changes there either, and just some dirt spots in there, and there's a bug walking around and nothing else. So I think I need to start again. That's the only staining that I got in the piece, and lots and lots and lots of mold. So maybe it was too moist, I have no idea. And there's another bug going for a walk, so I think I'll just remove these pieces. A little bit disappointing since nothing else happened here. And there's my nature bits and parts. I added some twigs, nothing changed, lots of bugs living there. I hope they are happy. and some leaves, but no stains. Not really anything I could really be happy about or mention. Mold, even more mold, and dead moldy leaves. So this was not the way to go. Yeah, I think I need to start over. But just wanted to share with you guys how my nature bundle looks like. It's a pile of moldy things, but not really satisfying at all. Okay, so I think I'm going to start again. Thanks for watching, bye!